Did you know that
YouTube has provided a simple and updated way to increase the number of subscribers to your YouTube channel with a URL modifier? This is subscription links to provide a way to your audience to subscribe to your channel with no effort involved by simply clicking on the link. You know, this subscription link should be offered anytime you want to promote your channel in video descriptions, emails, social media, a website, a blog, and so on. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. Day before yesterday, I was explaining how to get 1,000 subscribers on the YouTube. So I'm gonna help you how to get 1,000 subscribers in order to promote your YouTube channel in audience. So this is how you go to Google Chrome. So in the search bar, type the link identity.com and press enter. Then here, this website is about adding modifier to your link. So all you have to do is copy your YouTube channel to your link. Copy and paste it. And then here you can generate subscribe link. You can even choose whether to highlight or to copy the link. Anyone you want to highlight, is either you generate subscribe link or to copy link. So click to copy link. Then after you are done copy, you click on this link bit.ly. So here is a Badgely website. With Badgely, it will help you to shortening the link. So you scroll down and then you click on paste it and click on shorten. So after taking copying, the link will be reduced and length. So copy it and paste it on the search bar. So that the link will be the link, and you will be sharing on your social media platforms or anywhere you want to promote your channel. So click on paste and go to this link. So immediately, if the person clicks on that link, the person has no option that to subscribe to your channel before getting the chance to watch any video. in your channel. So this is how it look like. If you load the link, as you can see, the message shows, are you sure you want to subscribe to TV? Then the person who have to subscribe before he can get, so it will be granted permission to watch, meaning that in any video in your channel, and this way it's gonna help you how to get subscribers on your YouTube channel. So click on subscribe. So after you're done subscribing, it's gonna help you how to get subscribers on your YouTube channel, and that's how to get your first 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel. So if it works and the video was helpful, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more updates, and click on the bell icon and notification to get new videos that we're about to release. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. I just want to wish you happy new month to you all.